big teeth, and he is really, really big, but not bigger than the Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus is bigger, so he guess he's the middle smallest. He's the middle biggest, so he has lots of dark things on him and nice skin. Like I think that is true. And he even has a big snout like a Spinosaurus. He has a kind of a long tail, but not quite as long as the tail because it's just a tiny bigger. So I guess it's that has a big bit here, but the Spinosaurus has a big bit too. So they both have similar teeth, but they do have similar teeth, similar teeth.
What is it called?
Suchomimus. You can also go head backwards.
You mean like that?
Yep. Like that.
Thank you, Mr. Short, for your unboxing of the Suchomimus from Jurassic World Chaos Theory.